Everything you see in the universe, the stars, planets, galaxies, makes up less than 5% of everything that actually exists. The rest is completely invisible, completely undetectable, and yet it controls everything. This is the mystery of dark matter and dark energy, the unseen forces that make up 95% of the cosmos. Let's find out what they are, why they exist, and how they might be the key to unlocking the greatest secrets of the universe. And don't go anywhere if you want to hear about a shocking theory that suggests dark matter might be hiding an entirely new form of life. First, let's talk about dark matter. Scientists know it exists, but they have never seen it. So, how do we even know it's there? In the 1930s, astronomers noticed something strange. Galaxies were spinning way too fast, based on what we could see. They should have been torn apart by their own gravity. But they weren't. Something invisible, something with mass, was holding them together. That something became known as dark matter. It doesn't emit light, it doesn't interact with normal matter, but it has enough gravity to control entire galaxies. And here is the crazy part. Dark matter makes up 85% of all mass in the universe. But what is it actually made of? We know dark matter is there, but we have no idea what it is. But here are some of the strangest theories. WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles. These are hypothetical particles that barely interact with normal matter, but have mass and gravity. Axions, a type of ultralight particle that could be forming massive, invisible structures across the cosmos. Primordial black holes. Some scientists believe dark matter might actually be made of tiny black holes left over from the Big Bang. But here is where it gets really strange. What if dark matter isn't just stuff, but something alive? Here is a theory that will blow your mind. What if dark matter is actually a hidden alien civilization? Some physicists have speculated that there could be entire galaxies made only of dark matter, where exotic forms of life exist, but we can't see them because they don't interact with normal light. That means right now, in the same space where we exist, there could be an entire invisible alien empire that we will never be able to detect. Science fiction? Maybe. But the fact that we know almost nothing about dark matter means we can't rule it out yet. If dark matter holds the universe together, then dark energy is tearing it apart. In 1998, astronomers made a shocking discovery. The universe isn't just expanding, it's expanding faster and faster over time. Something unseen, something incredibly powerful is pushing the universe apart at an accelerating rate. That force is what we call dark energy, and it makes up a staggering 70% of the universe. But what is it? No one really knows. Scientists have no clear answer, but here are some of the leading theories. The cosmological constant. Einstein once predicted that empty space might have a built-in energy that constantly pushes outward. Dark energy could be that energy. The vacuum energy of space. According to quantum mechanics, even empty space isn't truly empty. It's filled with fluctuating particles that might be responsible for the acceleration of the universe. A new, undiscovered force. Some scientists believe dark energy isn't just energy, it's a completely new force of nature that we don't yet understand. But here is the really terrifying part. If dark energy keeps accelerating the expansion of the universe, what happens in the future? One possibility is the Big Rip, a scenario where dark energy eventually overpowers gravity itself, ripping apart galaxies, then solar systems, then atoms, until the universe is nothing but empty, lifeless space. Another theory is the Big Freeze, where the universe keeps expanding forever, growing colder and darker until all stars burn out. And there is the big bounce, where expansion eventually stops, and the universe collapses back into a singularity, only to start the cycle all over again. So, will the universe end, or is this just another step in an endless cycle? For decades, dark matter and dark energy were purely theoretical, but recently, we might have finally detected them. Experiments deep underground have picked up strange, unexplained particles that some scientists believe could be the first direct evidence of dark matter. And then there is the Xenon 1T experiment, which in 2020 detected a mysterious signal that could be from Axions, a candidate for dark matter. Are we on the verge of uncovering one of the biggest secrets of the universe? Dark matter and dark energy are the greatest cosmic mysteries of our time. They shape the universe, hold galaxies together, and determine its ultimate fate. Yet, we have almost no idea what they are. So, what do you think? Is dark matter just invisible particles? Or is it something much stranger? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like deep space mysteries, hit the like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. We have so much more to explore. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.